Hello friends, welcome you to my YouTube channel UPSC BPSC Warriors. Hope you are doing well and preparing for the upcoming civil service exams. In this video, we are going to discuss the 11th, 12th and 13th December current affairs. Let's begin. Novel gene therapy is used for the treatment of hemophilia. Manganese is a water pollutant which is causing cancer in the Bihar Gangetic Plain. It is released by the World Health Organization. African region accounted for 94% of global cases. Malaria is caused by Plasmodium parasites. Female Elephas mosquito is the carrier. Symptom fevers, chills, headache, etc. Now Sultanpur National Park. Marble duck has been spotted here. Marble duck is near threatened in IUCN list. Located in Gurgaon, Haryana. Notified as Ramsar sites in 2021. During the winter season, it is a home of a migratory bird. Now, 13 December current affairs. Ooty Lake is in news. It is located in Tamil Nadu. It is an artificial lake. Chromium and mercury are the water pollutants. Latika Port. It is located on East Mediterranean Sea. It is the principal port of Syria. Supplementary grants are in news. Supplementary grants is demanded when money authorized by Parliament for a particular financial year found to be insufficient. Its provisions are made under Article 115. There are two other provisions, that is additional grant and access grant. Thank you.